What we have here is a White's Field Boss 31, 30 horsepower, the Zeke tractor. You can see the tag. I've been semi-restoring. It was in pretty rough shape. As you can see, the lovely dents in it. Somebody dropped something on it. The hood was all smashed in. I was able to kind of get that 70%. I'm not a body man. And the grill was totally jacked. I was able to kind of cobble that together. You can see the other side where I haven't started on the loader. Pretty rough. But she's a good old tractor. We replaced the seat because it was totally trashed. Like a front end loader style seat. It's for PTO and chickens. If there's any interest at all, I'll continue to show updates on it. I'm kind of working on it while this COVID-19 stuff's going on. Nothing going on, I'm not working. Just relocated to Missouri, Texas. I had to put a new stub axle in. This left front is broken. And these are really hard to find parts on. Well, let me know if you're interested.